The scent of human stress has a direct impact on the emotional state of dogs, influencing them to opt for more pessimistic choices. Greetings everyone. In today's video, we will be delving into a fascinating study conducted by Bristol Veterinary School. This study has shed light on the intriguing connection between human stress and the emotions of our beloved canine companions. It was discovered that the scent of human stress actually influences dogs' emotional state, causing them to make more pessimistic choices. When exposed to stress odors, dogs exhibited a hesitancy to approach bowls placed in ambiguous locations, indicating a negative emotional state. Interestingly, the smell of stress heightened dogs' anticipation of receiving no food, while the scent of relaxation had no impact. This research is of utmost importance in ensuring the well-being of working and companion dogs. Understanding how human stress affects our furry friends is crucial, so without any further delay, let's dive right into our discussion. Research conducted at Bristol Veterinary School has revealed that the scent of human stress has a direct impact on the emotional state of dogs, influencing them to make more negative choices. Dogs exposed to stress-related odors displayed a reluctance to approach bowls placed in ambiguous locations, suggesting a pessimistic mindset. Interestingly, the presence of stress odors heightened dogs' anticipation of not receiving food, whereas the scent of relaxation had no discernible effect. Gaining a deeper understanding of how human stress affects dogs is of utmost importance for their overall welfare, particularly for working and companion canines. Researchers from Bristol Veterinary School conducted a study to determine if dogs are affected by the scent of stress or relaxation in humans, similar to how it impacts the emotions and decisions of other people. This investigation was prompted by previous evidence indicating that the smell of a stressed individual can subconsciously influence those in their vicinity. To assess the emotional state of animals, the team employed a test that gauges their inclination towards either optimism or pessimism, drawing from research that suggests human choices aligned with these attitudes reflect positive or negative emotions. A group of 18 dog owner pairs were enlisted by the researchers to participate in a series of experiments involving various human scents. Throughout the trials, the dogs underwent training to associate a food bowl placed in one spot with a treat, while a bowl placed in another spot was empty. Once the dogs grasped the distinction between these two locations, they displayed a swifter response in approaching the bowl containing a treat compared to the empty one. Subsequently, the researchers examined the dogs' speed in approaching new bowl locations that were positioned between the initial two. Dogs' emotional states were discerned based on their approach speed towards ambiguous locations, with a swift approach indicating optimism and a positive emotional state, while a slow approach indicated pessimism and negativity. This experiment was conducted multiple times, with each dog being exposed to different conditions such as no odor or the odors of human sweat and breath samples. These samples were collected from individuals in either a stressed state during an arithmetic test or a relaxed state while listening to soundscapes. The presence of a stress scent was found to have a noticeable impact on the dog's behavior, causing them to exhibit a slower approach towards the ambiguous bowl location that was closest to where the empty bowl had previously been placed during training. Interestingly, this effect was not observed when the dogs were exposed to a relaxed scent. These findings imply that the stress smell heightened the dog's anticipation that the new location would also be devoid of food, much like the nearby empty bowl location. According to researchers, the dog's pessimistic response may be indicative of a negative emotional state, potentially serving as a strategy to conserve energy and evade disappointment. In addition, the researchers discovered that dogs displayed ongoing improvement in their ability to learn about the availability of food in the two designated bowl areas. Furthermore, it was observed that their learning progress accelerated in the presence of the stress-inducing scent. Dr. Nicola Rooney, the lead author of the paper and a senior lecturer in wildlife and conservation at Bristol Veterinary School, emphasized the significance of comprehending the impact of human stress on the welfare of dogs. This understanding holds great importance for dogs residing in kennels, as well as for companion dogs and those trained for various working roles, including assistance dogs. It is widely recognized by dog owners that their pets possess a remarkable ability to sense and respond to their emotions. However, our research reveals that even the scent of an anxious and unfamiliar human can significantly impact a dog's emotional well-being, perception of rewards, and capacity for learning. While working dog handlers commonly describe stress transmitting through the leash, our findings demonstrate that it can also be transmitted through the air. Expressing her gratitude, Dr. Zoe Parr-Cortez, a PhD student at Bristol Veterinary School and the primary author and researcher of the project, extended her thanks to all individuals involved in the study, with a special mention to the participants and dog owners who actively participated in the research. The group of dogs consisted of a variety of ages, ranging from 8 months to 10 years old, totaling a count of 18. Within the breeds, there were 2 Springer Spaniels, 2 Cocker Spaniels, 2 Labrador Retrievers, 2 Braque d'Auvergne, 1 Whippet, 1 Golden Retriever, 1 Miniature Poodle, and a total of 7 mixed breed dogs. At the University of Bristol, a total of 8 dogs were officially enrolled and recognized as teaching dogs. To support our channel's growth and ensure broader awareness, kindly hit the like, share, and subscribe buttons. This will help us reach more individuals and disseminate valuable information. Thank you in advance.